Gold and silver prices are quiet ahead of the US presidential election. We did reach our targets that we talked about last week, and now we're back at the buy levels again. Let's see what we can do, if we should hold on to gold and silver, or if it's time to close out this position as we are about to have the US presidential election in less than a week's time from now. Okay guys, this is all gold prices. So in the past, we said look to buy here. We said that on October 13th, 14th, and then as well October 19th. And we did reach the first target here. Since then, we did pull back to the buy spot, and this was an opportunity to get involved again, targeting 1920 and 1932. For now, I'm gonna stick with that view, but obviously just ahead of the election and with no strong trend, it's probably a good idea to scale out, let everybody else get stopped out and ruin their trading accounts, and then effectively getting involved after the news. Unless, of course, you really know what you're doing, you want to take some risk on, some bets on, then you just continue to do what you do. But there's a lot of hype that you have to be involved in all these moves. That's something I did for many years, and you know what? It's not as easy as it sounds. Some people look good at it, but I find it that, you know, getting involved after the fact is usually a better option, you know. So bear that in mind. Now you have silver coming up here as well. So we talked about buying here around these levels. We did go up. We didn't go all the way as high as I thought, but hopefully you were, you know, more clever than me and, you know, got out, grab a bit of profit here. And because now we're pretty much back at the buy spot again. And yes, we can go up to 25 and 25.51 as long as you trade above 123.48. So keep an eye on these levels. Be mindful that there's probably not going to be a lot of volatility ahead of the US presidential election, and then a big boom of market volatility. And we could probably revisit the lower end of these ranges and then the upper end of these ranges before the market finally decides on which direction it wants to trade. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video.